Okay, so I need to show you guys something. I spent the last few weeks building out a Claude project that writes really good Facebook and Instagram ad video scripts for our coaching clients, and it's kind of ridiculous how good this is. Like for me, writing ads used to take a long time. I'd sit there, stare at a Google Doc. I even tried ChatGPT and stuff, but it was so challenging for it to spit out something good with a good hook, the right angle, the right structure, everything in there. And even when I felt like I had a good draft, it still needed a ton of editing. Now, with what I'm about to share with you guys in here, we can feed Claude all the right client information, what type of ad we want, and it will pump out 3 fully written scripts in minutes, and then it'll give us different hook variations, different angles, different frameworks, all ready to shoot. So in this video today, I'm gonna walk you guys through the exact system that I built. And I'm gonna show you guys how to do this like step-by-step in Claude projects, and I'm gonna give you the full file, okay? So if you're ready, let's go ahead and jump on in and get started. Okay, so I'm gonna start this thing off by going over the Figma board of how all this works, and then we'll jump actually into the Claude project itself, okay? So there's 4 parts to this system. Number 1 is you're gonna feed Claude the information that it needs, all the information about your offer, who you help, etc. So it's gonna ask you questions on the desired outcome of what you do, the target audience, social proof, because social proof hits in ads, your personal story, the core problem, the destination of where they're going. Are you asking them to follow you? Are you asking them to go to a resource? Is it a direct offer? Are they clicking a link? Are they sending you a DM? And you're gonna tell them more about what the actual offer is that you're promoting in the ad. And then you're gonna talk about what makes it unique, right? Your unique mechanism or method. It's gonna ask you all those questions when you start. Then it already has all of this information that I've programmed in here. That's gonna be the hook, the voice rules, self-critique checklist, and anti-AI slop rules, handling objections, and structure rules. Now, with anything like the first pass of this coming through, there's still gonna probably be a little bit of AI slop, and you're just gonna have to say, hey, I want you to review this entire thing and remove any AI slop. Then after that, it's gonna ask you what type of script do you want? Again, I have this program with 5 different ad templates, and actually one of these does have carousel ads, or carousels are included in this too, but I've got a long indirect ad, I've got a follower funnel, a short indirect ad, a direct offer, and a carousel ads. The indirect offers are essentially like lead magnets, webinars, whatever those may be, that's gonna be free. It's not promoting directly your service. And then step 4 is gonna be all the supporting assets. It's gonna give you headlines, primary text, captions, boom, the full shebang. Okay, so this is what we're gonna be building together. And again, a lot of this is already gonna be built in the system. Okay, so what you're gonna do to start is we're gonna go over to Claude, okay? And inside of here, I've already made an artifact, and this will be linked down in the description down below. So in here, this is the full prompt, okay? And this is based off of like some of our best clients' ads, okay? It has everything that you're gonna possibly need, how to use the system. So all you need to do is click that link down below and copy that, okay? So this is what it's gonna look like. I'll just go ahead and show it to you of what it'll look like when you actually click the link, okay? And it's gonna take you to something that looks like this. This is your Claude artifact. And then you can just copy this entire thing, just copy. We're gonna go back into Claude, and then we're gonna make a new Claude project, okay? Projects are where you're gonna select, like there's recurring SOPs, it can have a memory, it can do all those fun things. So I have a future video coming out that's gonna be on carousels, and that might be posted first, but this one over here is for ad scripts. Now, this is the same exact project that I've shared with my copywriters, my CSMs. So this is the same exact thing that we use with our clients. The only thing that I will not be giving in this video is all of the files that are gonna be references of our best performing ads. So this is just gonna make the copy hit even harder. So if you guys have existing ads or existing things you've done before, put them all inside of here, okay? This is gonna make it 1,000 times better. Now, I will have one more document that I will share with you guys, and this is in my paid ads course. So that'll be linked down below. Inside the paid ads course, it comes with 50 proven hooks. I want you to join the group, go and get the hooks and import those as a PDF into the files as well, so it can leverage that information to write even better copy, okay? So once you go in here, we're gonna make one from scratch just to show you what it looks like. We're gonna go to new project. We're gonna call this video ad scripts, and then this is gonna be Facebook video ads, okay? Create the project, and you'll have a blank project like this. Go over to the instructions, and you're gonna paste in everything that you just copied from the artifact. Then push save instructions. Once you're in here, all we have to do now is just come up to this and say start, okay? And once this thing starts, it's gonna reference the instructions and it's gonna start to ask us questions about our offer, okay? And then what I would encourage you guys to do, the most efficient way to do this would be, once this thing comes back, is just to use the voice audio message inside of here to answer all of the questions, okay? So it's asking me what we need. So I'm gonna say, I need a video script for a webinar I'm hosting next week. And it's gonna go through the instructions and see, okay, cool, what do I actually need? All right, so here comes the questions where it's gonna ask, all right, let me fill all these information in, and your job from this point is just to talk about it. All right, so just push record and tell it everything, okay? For simplicity, I'm gonna tell Claude that I want it to do it for a fake offer, okay? So I want you to fill this in on a fake coaching offer, have it be for a coach who works with women in their 50s who wants to lose weight, and then boom. So I'm gonna let this thing fill out and I'll come back once it is done. All right, so it went ahead and it made the fake offer. It says, your name is Sarah Mitchell. Your audience is this. Here is all the information that I need. And then it went straight ahead and just started pumping out the ads. Now, the ads for the webinar. So this is an indirect offer. Like I mentioned, there's short and long ads that we pumped out from this. So the short indirect offer is gonna be short. It's gonna be like a 30-second ad. It's really calling out the avatar and giving the CTA right after that. So it's very simple, very short ads, right? So all these, it's gonna give us 3 different variations. One of them is benefit focused, so what's in it for them. One is gonna be content focused, so what's actually inside the webinar that you're putting together. And one of them is gonna be pain focused. So benefit, pain, and then what's gonna be inside are the 3 different versions of this. And as you see, it's coming up with 5 different hooks. As you see, like in here too, women over 50, ladies in your 50s, women over 50, women over 50, if you're a woman in your 50s. This is so important and so many people miss this when they're writing ads. So I already programmed that in here to make sure that every single hook calls out your ideal avatar, okay? So you've got 3 short indirect ones, and if you like them, you can just keep making iterations of them. And again, prompt it to say, hey, review these. This is my favorite one. How can I make this stronger? Here's some actual stuff that is inside the training webinar if it's not already included in here, but just prompt it and again, tell it to remove any AI slop. Second part, it's also gonna give you, if you choose the free training one, to do a long indirect. Now this follows more copywriting frameworks. So I've got the PAS solution, problem agitate solution, which is a OG copywriting framework, calls out the avatar, tells them about the problem, it digs into it a little bit more, and then it puts together the CTA at the end for whatever the resource is that you're offering. Now, you might ask, why do I want a short video ad scripts and long? The long ones will typically get you better quality leads because you actually withhold the pitch until like 30 seconds in. The short ones are very short, very simple. If this is you, I made this, go grab it for free. You'll get a lot more leads, but the quality might not be as good. So test both of them, right? And see what the long-term metrics look like, cost per call, cost per sale, etc. So I got one that's, again, the problem agitate solution version. I've got one that is the hook story offer framework. So this is telling more about your personal story. These crush if you have a personal story that connects with your ideal client. And the last one is the big domino. So what is the reason that they are stuck, right? And it will label that, it will name it, and then it will give the solution to it. So for this one, it just made it up. As you can see here, here's what nobody told you. Your estrogen and progesterone levels change how your body processes food. It labeled a new problem that the person doesn't know even existed, and then it introduces your webinar, your free thing, as the resource that helps them overcome this big domino, this big problem. So this is based off of Russell Brunson's formula. He also does hook story offer too, but those are 2 really good long form video scripts that you can use. So all of that is there. And then if I'm like, okay, these are great. If you want to make some changes to them, make some changes to them. And then again, it's like, do you want me to write your primary captions, headlines, all that stuff? Let's go. Yes, please make those too. And boom, it'll make it. Okay, so I'll let it sit here, make this, and I'll come back once it's done. All right, here are the primary text and captions and headlines, and they're just so good, okay? Again, all this is based off of some of our best performing ads. I won't be giving those again in this, but just check this out. All right. So format number 1 is offer, story, and features. So this is a little bit longer form, but it's like things you've tried. Here's what you're going to learn inside. Here's some social proof. And then boom, next section. Question, belief shift, features. Just check this out. Okay. I'm telling you, go click this link down here and put this in. And if this doesn't outperform your current ads, like let me know, because I'm telling you, some of the stuff in here is so easy to use. You know, so many people spend time building AI solutions on like trying to streamline systems and stuff. And that's cool. But like most of the people I talk to, they need more leads. So if you can use AI to create more video scripts, to create more ads, you're going to be well ahead of most of the people that are in your space. Like I'm able to pump out at least 5 new pieces of content or ads per day right now. And I don't feel like I'm limited by it because the output is really good. Now, the big thing with this, as you keep doing this script is you want to ask it to save things to its memory so it has it for future context. But again, all the formats are in here. We've got the same one as in one of the video scripts, the problem, agitate, solution. We've got a long story plus mechanism, more personal story, and then it came up with 10 headlines. Typically, we'll pick 3 to launch with our ads. So boom, there's everything. And it's like, okay, do you want me to write some carousel ads too? Sure, do it. And I'll show you guys what that comes up with too once this is done. All right, so this one's actually really good. I'm like very impressed. Again, all this is in the description. Go grab it. Look at this, right? Women over 50, here's 7 reasons your body won't lose weight anymore and what to do about each one, right? So typically for the hook slide for a carousel ad, you want it to be a big, bold headline that just stops the scroll. It is the hook. You know what I mean? So it could be women over 50 and then boom, right? Or, I mean, some of these you might even be able to take out without it. Like, 7 fat loss rules that actually work after menopause. Like that could be good without the women over 50 because it's after menopause. You know what I mean? Same thing here. 7 things I wish someone told me about losing weight after 50, right? That could be the headline slide by itself. Okay. Then it jumps down and here's the hook variations. And then it goes slide by slide. Slide number 1, personal story. Again, if you're not using personal stories, you're just going to be leaving money on the table because most people want to work with somebody that's been in their shoes. So also, if that's not your avatar, you should highly consider picking a niche that aligns with your personal story because it just crushes. Okay. And then it goes through all the rules one by one. Okay. Rule 1, rule 2, rule 3, rule 4, rule 5, rule 6, rule 7. And then at the end of this, there's a CTA for more. So this carousel ad is designed to build trust, give some actual real value. This is actually shareable, okay? You could share this. Somebody could go and get more leads because it's shareable. People will then go to it and they might share it or save it to their stories. And now you created this piece of content that is a conversion ad, but has the reach of an organic piece of content. It looks like an organic piece of content. Right now, I'm telling you, these are some of my best ads are carousel ads. Okay. And then it came with the caption to go along with it. And there's a lot more. Okay. Here are lies. So one was rules. Here are some lies that people have. And notice that the carousels too actually have a little bit more information in them than they do just like, one line. They're like, it goes into detail. By doing this, the reason these work well, 1, again, people share them, but 2 is that it actually adds a layer of friction because somebody has to go through the entire carousel before they see the call to action. So lead quality on these is often way, way better. Okay. So boom. And again, there's more variations of this. There's a follower funnel in here. There's also direct ads in here too. So my encouragement for you guys is click that link, go plug this in, go make a cowork project, add your files, right? Again, if you guys join the mini course, which is also linked below, there's the 50 best hooks. Take those hooks, put those in here, put your best ads in here, and then save things as you tell it more about your offer. Say, save this to my memory so that you can keep this going, right? Because all this is here. And once you actually build all of this, you can actually then move this over to Cowork. And Cowork, you could have this thing running on a scheduled basis for once a week. I want you to make new ads for me. And it will just, boom, start spitting out new ads based off all the information in this project. You keep giving it feedback, it keeps getting better. Okay, so that's all I got for today's video. I hope you guys like this. Smash the subscribe button for more videos like this and go check out the free stuff in the description down here below and start using this today.